Hey guys, in this video, I'll tell you what to do if you get banned from Shopify. Alright, let's begin. First, the most important step is to appeal the ban. If you've been drop shipping and use content from other people, it may be more challenging to appeal. However, if you have not violated any copyright rules or used someone else's images or text, you should be able to successfully appeal the ban. In addition to submitting your appeal, consider contacting Shopify support directly. You can call them or use their live chat feature to explain your situation and assert that you have not done anything wrong. If you did violate any terms, you will likely need to create a brand new store. When doing this, make sure to use different details so that it does not link back to your old Shopify store. Otherwise, you risk getting banned again due to a DMCA claim or similar issues. To summarize, your options are: first, appeal the ban or contact Shopify support. Second, create a new store while ensuring you do not repeat any past mistakes. So that's basically all about what to do if you get banned from Shopify. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.